Hi, I'm Ethel Agura, and I'm going to present to you how to make a tissue paper flower. You will need a pair of scissors, tissue papers in different colors, and pipe cleaners. Step 1. Using 3 pipe cleaners, you need to twist them together to make a good and a strong stand like this. Step 2. Cut at least 5 tissue papers of the same size. The bigger the size, the bigger the flower. Mix 2 or more colors of paper to make a very nice looking flower. Step 3. Arrange the sheets with a bit of overlap mixed with different colors. Step 4. Fold the papers as many folds as you can and cut the ends to make a scallop. Step 5. Spread the sheets again and fold it from one another with alternation. Step 6. Using your folded tissue papers and a pipe cleaner, you need to secure it in the middle, bend at least 3 inches of it, and secure the bottom end and twist it like this. And now you can spread and make your flowers bloom by gently spreading the sheets like this. So you can start gently pulling the ends and separating the two and the different colors of your flower. And you can have a nice looking flower like this. Thank you.